So we're on the top of the Ensign Peak right now, catching the sunset. Sun is still up.
Puro reklamang hirap-hirap.
Pagod na? Ano masasabi mo sa hike na to, Russell?
I'm not prepared.
How about this guy here?
Eat man.
Ooh, it's a beautiful sunset now. Yeah, actually we were like planning to come here yesterday, but we got stuck in the traffic. So I went in this morning for sunrise, and now it's the sunset. Yeah, so my whole day has been up here in this mountain.
Roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way, couldn't keep us from the sea.
Sun is already gone, so we're heading back down. From here you can see the whole view of the Salt Lake City. Right. To get here, you have to cross, you have to walk on this really muddy place. They all stick in your shoes, all the mud. Di ba nung para mga bata tayo, wish lang natin makapunta ng US. Wish natin makahawak ng snow. Ngayon nagagawa na natin yun. Ang gusto natin is what now? Exactly.
You made it?
Oh wow!
Yes.
Just 3 legs. What's up, buddy? Yeah, so you have a really beautiful sunset up there, and then a nice, pretty city lights down here. What else? What else I haven't seen here in Utah?